All right, so inside the box, you're going to get two screen protectors. You're going to get a microfiber cloth to help you clean the screen before the installation. You're going to get a squeegee as well as this spray solution. So they recommend washing your hands before the installation process. And then after that, you want to use the solution and spray it on your hands to eliminate fingerprints during the installation. From there, you want to go ahead and grab the screen protector and spray the front side with the solution. And then after that, you can go ahead and remove the back film from the screen protector. After that, go ahead and spray the back of the screen protector with the solution as well. And then from there, you can go ahead and place it on your phone. So as you can see, the screen protector is easily movable, which is helpful because you can line it up on your phone. Once you get it lined up, you want to hold one side of the screen protector and grab your squeegee and start to squeegee out the solution. Once you do that on one side, go ahead and repeat the process on the other side and do your best to remove as much of the solution as possible. Once you get most of the solution out, you pretty much want to leave the phone alone so that the solution can dry, which is going to cure the screen protector to your phone. So they also recommend doing this at night so that you can leave your phone overnight, and then by the morning, it will be completely dry and ready to go. All right, one tip that they do recommend is that if you have access to a blow dryer, you can use low heat to speed up the process. So if you notice some air bubbles here and there, they recommend giving it a full 24 hours for the solution to completely dry and for the screen protector to completely cure.